Top stories. Number of visitors increasing day by day at Manipur Legislative Assembly, Museum and Archives. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar inaugurates first ever Sangai International Angling Competition 2018. And first anniversary of Cyclothon Fuel Conservation Campaign observed. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur, the news read by Haripriya, and now let's have the news in details. The Manipur Assembly, Museum and Archives was open to showcase the political history of Manipur to the people of the state and visitors of Sangai Festival today. Interestingly, the number of visitors is increasing day by day. Here is the report.
It is very important for the people of a state to know about their leaders in an effort to make the records of the past elected leaders known to the people. The government of Manipur opened the Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives on October 18 last. Assistant Curator of the Museum and Archives, Surbala Sagolsem said, the Museum and Archives was opened with an objective of making the political history of Manipur known to the people. As such, she is ensuring that the records of any kind which have remained put at various places with the veteran politicians and retired government officials are collected and displayed at the Museum and Archives.
History, administrative history like that. Masigi history say chalaga state put amapangapagi mang journey se si highlight on the makta same museum. We staff since now we ex members mayams mayum the chalaga documentation, photo documentation, video documentation am tawzara matunda apaina hazek gallery punna tara the outdoor gallery we speaker gi hana tengomba ku replica ambassadors si yaro tara punna koi.
The Museum and Archives display a detailed record in specific galleries including Assembly Hall, Speaker, Governor, Chief Minister, Art Gallery, Gallery of the Chairman, Hill Areas Committee, Deputy Speaker, Secretary, Committee Room, Sound and Monitoring Unit, Ethnological Gallery, Audiovisual Room, Outdoor Gallery, Hallway, Library Research and Archives Division, Women Leaders, Deceased Chief Ministers and their wardrobes. Guide lecturer Grihabala Waikhom said, people from various places across the country are visiting the Museum and Archives continuously. Efforts are being made to assist and inform about the political history of the state in the best possible manner.
Political history the best of museum custom photo demonstrate
Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar inaugurated the first ever Sangai International Angling Competition 2018, which is organized by All Manipur Angling Association as a part of the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival at the northern outer mode of Kangla. Around 400 anglers are taking part in the competition. The minister said that angling is a kind of artistic sports.
Part of Madu, Oiram de, I think say they give it, introduced to Guamsum, but he Lakato station, Mamuka and the Chona, but even international level of Goyana, but the exposure to whom nobody can honor Japan habitat. To hide the what seems say the arts and culture department director, so if you see that Samuel, Amasan, English, Ojimaki President Joy. London still live since around English members around 300 but say the gathered to the crowd of the competition they say maybe around 1,500. That means yamna mayamna pamna makli pot na mo oire na haje bani ade madugi pot chi ora bani na na phaba na haibe chi chumde hobby khap ta ba ade maduna yol ga chana hamna ta ba it is some sort of yamna art soi ba de ki yamna culture kan mo soi ba ki Manipur problem da so mo pot se ben ba se promote to ba su chang bra kan ja ba de Manipur na ta na India ma ma tu jaga da su international ye tu ba jaga sing da su nga phaba ko chumban ai ba se yamna nungai ba makli ki hobby kam makli ki yam artistic skill ga un ki pot su kan no o kalak gi ano ba makli ki mission ai kai or na sing ma ra yam heavy competition ma to ba the pasha ki phangba na to phang da ban to ngal bo jaga just to be part and the parcel of the angling association ma se yam nungai ba makli pot mo ke ba ai dai aduna atop da matam manghandana atoba mong da fataboro da chakiri mota su mong da pusulaga ada maybe sports maybe totally ki culture nataga su makli allied subjects na su kana amlang sing promoter mo da support sa pina so dong ba habi dai danga sigi si ante ki sangai festival la just the beginning bula pa ngai ada masina ko na lucrative po ina ba hada na prize money si padi hena chawbanga fa 50000 ani sugala sakka ko 30000 20,000 ki prize ta madu matang chai de he chaw na mong ta na to bangam na ba na an chim ni se ta na jar ka pamu se ke kan jo.
The winners of the competition will be awarded cash prize of rupees 50,000, rupees 30,000 and rupees 20,000, and the second day of the competition will organize at Loktak Lake.
Seven.
Cycle rally held at Imphal to observe the first anniversary of Cyclothon Fuel Conservation campaign. Here is a report.
Oil State Level Coordinator organized a simple function today at Hotel Imphal to celebrate the first anniversary of Cyclothon Fuel Conservation campaign, which was launched by Revenue, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam last year. Later, a cycle rally participated by the minister himself was also held in Imphal. Addressing the occasion, Minister Karam Shyam said that cycling is being misinterpreted by many, but riding bicycle is good for health and environment friendly, and he appealed to the public to ride bicycle if they can for the benefit of good health and clean environment.
Aina handak SDC office sama ai kendra lilong sa jingda satpakanda ugai na diyan sangde aina cycle thawra satpada numitu buti aina hanga khara warpaga up and down thawbada aingon na kitang waba pharaga phawi anunga laga de haksang asoka pati yang cycle thawui kanam do adu da dum khangre haksang gi wai aduna wafam kraje thamjabaga loina na ngasi IOC ki official aduga distributor marumapang sing aduga koi narol sing aina di media su yong thawbi on hai bani adu thawbudi nga moi di camera no mera pai di na aduna masiki paujel se har ki state singi manungda why the cycle do state to Manipur no ohenjero.
The bicycle rally was flagged off by CGM of Indian Oil AOD of State Office Kutia Bhattacharya from Hotel Imphal, North AOC.
Even as the Department of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD has asked to use commercial LPG cylinders at all food stalls of Sangai Festival, many stalls owners are still found using domestic cylinders at Lamboi Khongnangkhong venue. Some stall owners are found placing a commercial cylinder at a readily visible place of the stall while using domestic cylinders in the kitchen. Saikom Purnimasi, a food stall owner at Lamboi Khongnangkhong venue, has complained of poor management at the venue. She said the organizers did not provide dustbin or garbage pickup service. As such, the stall owners are finding it very hard to maintain cleanliness at the stall. Management was much better in the Sangai Festival held last year, she asserted. Further, she drew attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter immediately.
Hataki Sangai Festival
yam penjade mamangi sahine am hen khare paisa mamang sahi da ju lupa lising tare hatakina lupa lising train thoi duga jaga ju yam pikna pire dei sambang khopam ju leitre pidre dustbin pidre aduga penjadre am hataki sangai phisibi lupa lising train thoi ju loba diboji ado kain kana de dustbin leitaba adegi maroi mapang sambam kolik sambam leitre ai isagi yumdegi batin pore kari kara ma am puja yam penjadre jaga ju yam mole mathangda khatang phana to honingi aduga paisa jigi matikadi sanadre koina piri ba hotel jaga jaga yam pikhare ba tawri mem sauki ani suna thabam leitre.
The number of state and foreign visitors are increasing each day at all the main venues of Sangai Festival 2018. Among the many stalls which are attracting more and more visitors every day at Hapta Kangjagibung venue, Sangai Safe, Lamlila Institute of Disabilities, Lamjingba Group, were some of the main stalls apart from various guest stalls, including food stalls representing specific cuisines. Hear what some of the stall owners express about their stall.
Yes, it's a cooking competition, and this competition is being organized to promote our indigenous dishes. Competition is organized by the Exotic School of Cooking, and it's being sponsored by the Tourism Department, Government of Manipur. The winner of this competition is going to will be going back home with a cash prize of 1 lakh.
Okay, this is we're preparing for Meitei style fish cooked in Meitei style. Okay.
Kanagani have the housing Makana Dragasu Loram Dai, Dumi Lakne Kale, housing Makio and the Amkana di Lactri, Aduga Kogi finance Kiona, when it has a loan, Mamsu, mainly promotion to Lakshavane, Loram Dai, the Dishway and Tony Kale, housing Makio and the Miam to Lacti.
Times of Manipur, some bida to Mana Kanava, Akoi Handakta Nauna, 2nd October, launch Tauraga, Akoi TV section Giwena, electronics media Giwena. Launch Tauraga, YouTube Kumba, Degi Facebook the live Piraga, Atopa, Tata Sky Gumba, Dix TV, Kucham Naraga, Kogi channel, Manipur, Yana, and satellite channel Amoina, Miam the Kudol Tamba, how Grabani, for 32 countries, the Yangbaya Bagi, Kudong Zabo Pizari, Masida Mapalam, the labor. Koigi Ray Park Masa Singnasu, Masigi, Koigi Lamdam Sida Kari, Pau Lady, Kari, Ano Aba Lady, Manipur Kai Dauri Habagi, Dugumba Mam Sudum Koigi Tom TV, Kutangagi Yamba Pangiragani, Aduga Koigi Tonganba Oina TV, Natavida Koigi print media newspaper Gisu, Atumatamda covers Fongaga, Miangi Shabatawa, Hauba, Namzaragani, Atumatamda, Koigi Tim Lamjingba Group Makada, Tim Koigi. Times of Manipur team na kanna honari aduga akogi masigi Sangai Festival ja akogi Lamjingba Group ki makada pulaga stall asida phamaga mayamda akogi di nauri banina akoina pamphlet kumba khra yenthokpa adagi si tawraga akogi customer siga akogi channel amadi newspaper gi kainosi promotional activities se khra tawjabani
Maru ina kogi main venue oriba Hapta Kangjagibung asida Lamjingba Group ki makhada handeki oina ihan hanba Sangai Festival 2018 na lak pasida Lamjingba Group ki oiba khoi tongan ba department section wise oina khaidoga stall asida akogi mayam gi oiba khudong chaba kaya pibiri tongan ba mioi singna akogi customer singna lakpiraga Lamjingba Group ki makhada leiba tongan ba department wise lariba facilities singsi kari no haibadu khangbi ba yagani amadi khudong chaba kaya su phbigani with cameraman Sarat Chandra galoina na paudam zariba pangsatabam daina Tom TV Hapta Kangjagibung.
As part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, a friendly match between the female footballers of Myanmar and Manipur is going to be played at Common Lampak Man Stadium on November 25. Chief Minister In Biren and Chief Minister of Saigon, Mai Nyang, are going to inaugurate a friendly match. ASP Ibomcha Coordinator M. Sivdatta along with ASP K.H. Robinson, DSP Sandeep Gopaldas and many others accorded warm welcome to the 52 members team of Myanmar on its arrival at Mori today. ASP Ibomcha Coordinator M. Sivdatta, team leaders Kwe So and Director Principal Yu Mew expressed their feelings on the occasion.
Festival ga mai lena na khoi sanaga ba si masigi da mukta khoi lakpi basi khoi yamna nuchina na hoji kyung yamna harong lai mo si aina imphal su mayamna phajana welcome to bigane na sa tawi aduga khoi somda su khoi ꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯟꯆ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯤ.ꯑꯦꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ SP ꯃꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣoi ꯃꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 12 ꯑꯁꯥꯏꯐꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯁꯤ
ꯖꯒꯥꯡ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯇꯤꯝꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯗꯂꯤ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯃꯦꯠꯆ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯒꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯀꯣꯆ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ 13 ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯗꯂꯦꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 19 ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤ 52 ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯦꯂꯤꯒꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯦꯂꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯡꯅꯧꯄꯜ SP ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯕ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯒꯤꯁ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯁꯤ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯟꯗꯂꯦꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯈꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯩꯒꯥꯡ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ 3 ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯩꯒꯥꯡꯅꯦ ꯃꯟꯗꯂꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ 3ꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 15ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯩꯒꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯤꯟ ꯅꯦꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯡ 15ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯩ ꯇꯤꯝ A ꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯗꯂꯦꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯜ ꯄꯨꯡ 1 ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯤꯜ ꯂꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯊꯨ ꯍꯥꯊꯨꯕꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯋꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕ
ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯄꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯊꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯄꯤꯖꯤ ꯕꯣꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯃꯥꯅꯦꯟ ꯄꯣꯖꯥꯕꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯥꯖꯥꯅ ꯀꯥꯄꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯡ ꯗꯤꯅ ꯗꯨꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯦ ꯇꯥꯎ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯆꯕꯥ ꯗꯤꯅ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯗꯨꯔꯥ ꯕꯦ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯅꯇꯦꯟ ꯐꯦꯔꯕꯥ ꯀꯨꯂꯨ ꯆꯅꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯂꯥ ꯗꯦ ꯆꯩꯃꯥ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯅꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯃꯥ ꯇꯥꯎ ꯆꯤ ꯄꯣꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯒꯥ ꯗꯤꯌꯣ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯂꯩ ꯗꯦ ꯀꯨꯗꯨꯔꯦ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯥꯃ ꯆꯅꯔꯣ ꯀꯤꯗꯨꯀꯦ मान ताब जाए कनरो ने मैंने का साबिरो दिलो नंगे ये वॉक ले सिजया आगजाई सालाय दखामा आगजा दुमुये ना ये सारे हारिया दीदे मका वो टूटे लम से बाले मैंने का साबिरो दो ले दे दिने मा सोये वो बीरो दीदे मका आगजायो ये मुवा लैंप फोन बीरो टूटे लम से बाले
Lazy, amusing lazy thing there. The man lazy is kind of lazy thing to Cana. If the Martinus are gone, then I can see the Pioshus are gone. Timale.
Sangai Festival, Malena, Rochichi, Bolopo, in Pama,
in Pama, Kuchan, look at the ocean. The Sangai need the ocean in Fan, and lazy in it, and River lazy in it, share. Call she back over.
And now, let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
watch Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back. Under the guidance of Directorate of Health Services, Imphal West Student Club, Khumbong and Association of Manipur Diaspora, AMAND Pune organized Health Awareness Camp. CMHT enrollment came at Khumbong Bazar Community Hall today. Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Mania, Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur, MLA Ranjan and President of IWSC Oinam Samarendra attended the event. Many resource persons also talked on health-related topics, and President of IWSC Oinam Samarendra also conveyed a message on CMHT.
Manipurda khwaidagi koina kinaba makhalgi laina makhal mayam leire ado nadringa da matau kramna naroidagi amadi nadran laigadagi haibasigi maruiba health awareness program ning asi Imphal West Students Club Khumbong amadi aman Pune ani na khusamna silibasi ado miyoi bani nadabang amdabani na kaigum koina nagi taragadi narwatunga matau kramna laingadagi haibasigi ani superstem ni koina lokula leise ado naba matam se ista koina laing haibase ista asogo financial problem amakha face tawi mayam punamna ado paisa sna yamdragadi I mi pungkhang na imung kudi mona mase ko ne viar to nga mi dubu namdaba achauba dumba problem face tar ko matamdi housing company puda fale ba dumba minister gi listing makha saista si minister gi health ki tengbang haiba scheme sigi makha saista lamdam sundala riba praja khwai ki biga madi lairba imung manung koi khudi makta dumba chauba tembang fakki ne gi awareness program ne maru ne khoi ngasi sinjari base.
Rotary Club of Imphal and Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal organized a function welcoming District Governor of Rotary International District 3240 Dr. Jayantakumar yesterday at Rotary Multi-Service Center, Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Jayantakumar said that Rotary Club is the driving force in making the masses more responsible towards their society. The event was attended by Secretary of Rotary Club Imphal Manish Jain, President Dr. T.H. Sudhiranjan and President of Rotary Polo City Pradeep Maitram, along with other members of the club, and prizes were also distributed as part of the event.
A wonderful theme that our Rotary International President had given us, be the inspiration. Why is it wonderful? Because the simple reason is that it tells us all. It tells us all about Rotarians, it tells us all about Rotary clubs, it tells us all about everything we stand for. We are the inspiration, we will be the inspiration, and we always aspire to be the inspiration.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has kicked off the battle for Mizoram and is addressing his first mega-poll rally in the state on a day that promises high-octane campaigning from both BJP and the Congress as the assembly election campaign heats up. Mizoram is the last northeastern state still with the Congress, and BJP is banking on PM Modi's appeal to expand its base. In his address, the PM accused the Congress of following a policy of divide and rule, and said the BJP, on the other hand, believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. On the other hand, UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi entered the battleground as she will address her first rally for the upcoming assembly election in the Telangana, where the Congress is trying to project her as the state's creator to pit her against K. Chandrasekhar Rao. She will address a rally in Machel and is expected to release the party's manifesto for upcoming elections. Madhya Pradesh also promises a mouth-watering contest as Congress Rahul Gandhi will campaign in Bhutni. CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan is pitted against former MPCC President Arun Yadav. And now let's have a short break. Welcome back. The Tripura government has been awarded with 3 prizes at the prestigious India Today State of States Conclave 2018 on Thursday in a mega program at New Delhi for its impressive growth of development. Officials said that the state was awarded in 3 categories for inclusive development, infrastructure and overall most improved small state. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu has given away the trophies of recognition to Tripura. The Special Resident Commissioner of Tripura, Bhawan Somya Gupta, had received the trophies. China has halted construction of a bridge in the province of Hubei after it was said to have caused the death of around 6,000 critically endangered Chinese sturgeon. An investigation team found the construction project in the city of Jingzhou had illegally encroached on a protected national nature reserve. The fish was bred at an aqua farm in Jingzhou. Their deaths were attributed to the shocks, noises and changes of water sources brought about by the bridge project. Overdevelopment of the river has also decimated the population of the native Yangtze porpoise and caused the extinction of the Baiji dolphin known as the Yangtze mermaid. A total of 1,085 animals and plants native to China are listed on the global red list of threatened species compiled by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. And now let's move on to some newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister hopes sumo cements Manipur-Japan tie. Mary storms into final of Boxing Worlds. Senapati meet dissects Naga journey. Wildlife experts to trace Sisipu predator. A.R. Khan junks BJP disclaimer. Gunfight kills 1. Imphal Free Press. Sangai Festival is a celebration of love, peace and integration, says Chief Minister. Suspected NSCN-IM cadre killed in factional clash in Khopum. Stall owners including differently abled allege of mismanagement in Sangai Festival. Manipuri diaspora from Myanmar seeks educational facilities in the state. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister opens Polo International Tournament. Uruguay begins campaign with victory over USA. Government rebuilding strong ties with Japan. Chief Minister. The Sangai Express. Veteran politician Okram Joy may be projected as INC candidate. In pursuit of Manipur People Bill, JCILPS to send team to the President. Welfare schemes hijacked by non-deserving people. Jarnail Singh gives statement cross-examined. Chief Minister Biren bats for strong Manipur-Japan ties. NSCN-IM cadre killed.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Number of visitors increasing day by day at Manipur Legislative Assembly, Museum and Archives. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar inaugurates first ever Sangai International Angling Competition 2018. And first anniversary of Cyclothon Fuel Conservation Campaign observed. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.